In this short video, I will show you guys how to use conference room with Soundbar technology guide. Please bring your laptop to plug in the room equipment. Now I will show you guys how to connect your computer using wired connection to the screen in this room. Connect your laptop to the Dell docking station using the USB cable, which plugs into the USB-C port on the laptop. The Dell dock is connected to the wireless keyboard, mouse, soundbar, and display. You will leave the laptop on the table next to the Dell docking station. The wireless mouse and keyboard can be used to control your laptop meeting from anywhere in the room. Now we will go ahead and start a new meeting. If you do not choose this option, it will create an audio feedback. So click on Join Now. Now I will show you guys how to connect a soundbar, microphone, and camera in a Microsoft Teams meeting. To select the microphone and speaker within Teams, call, or meetings, click on the three dots and then click on Audio Settings. In audio settings, select the speaker and microphone you want Teams to use by default. For a camera, simply click over here, and by clicking on integrated camera, the computer camera will pick up, and Hudley IQ would be the one on the soundbar. And this is how you use this technology.